NVIDIA just held GTC Taipei 2026. Jensen Huang took the stage and laid out the next era of AI computing. In the next 8 minutes, I'm breaking down every major announcement. Let's go.
Taiwan's rich ecosystem, the richest ecosystem, the world's best supply chain ecosystem. Unbelievable. Well, thank you all for being here. And this year, our businesses together are growing in wave of AI.
The headline message was clear: Agentic AI has arrived, not experimental production. Jensen showed that GitHub commits nearly tripled from 300 million in 2023 to 1.5 billion by early 2026, driven by AI copilots, $3 trillion in developer salaries now producing 9 trillion in economic output. The model is simple. AI agents observe, reason, plan, and act. That is the shift.
Software developers, probably another couple of hundred who are students and enthusiasts and so on and so forth, but say 30, 40 million software developers in the world code for a living. And this represents most of them. This is GitHub.
Here is the economic reframe NVIDIA is pushing hard. Tokens are now units of revenue. Every token your system generates efficiently is a profit unit. The new benchmark is not just performance, it is tokens per watt. And when you think of data centers as token factories, every architectural decision becomes a financial decision.
More AI factories, which is the reason why compute demand here in Taiwan has skyrocketed. It is precisely the reason why all of you are so busy and your businesses are doing so well. In fact, that looks like some of your stock price. The compute different places.
Jensen laid out the agent stack as 4 components: a model at the core, an orchestration harness that manages context and routing, tools, libraries, and APIs the agent can call, and a runtime environment. This same 4-part stack he showed appears everywhere: in data centers, on laptops, in cars, in robots. One pattern, every surface.
Of course, this is being done at extraordinarily large scales. And each one of those steps are running in a different part of the computer. And you could see the large language model is thinking, context processing, observing, understanding the environment, reasoning, coming up with a plan, and acting on
The flagship hardware announcement was Vera Rubin, a multi-rack supercomputer designed specifically for agentic workloads. No cables, no hoses, no fans. NVIDIA said assembly time dropped from 2 hours down to 5 minutes. Under the hood, NVLink 72 for reasoning, the Grok LPU 30 for low latency inference, and Bluefield 4 for storage and security. Supply chain is double that of Grace Blackwell.
From end to end. It has GPUs, Vera Rubin NVLink 72. It is orchestrated by Vera CPUs that I'm going to tell you more about. The storage systems, revolutionary. Vera, along with CX9, our software stack called Doka. The security processor that's inside so that everything is encrypted at rest, in motion, as well as in use. Everything across this is secure because the AI model...
Alongside Vera Rubin, NVIDIA announced the Vera CPU, and Jensen made a point of saying it was built for agents, not humans. 88 Olympus cores on a monolithic mesh, 3.6 terabytes per second of fabric bandwidth, 40% lower peak memory latency than x86. Real numbers, SQL queries run 3 times faster. NYSE stream processing runs 6 times faster than the competition.
As well as in use. Everything across this is secure because the AI model is so precious. This is the reason why this entire system obeys confidential computing. Each one of these systems would be a complete revolution in itself. Vera Rubin is the most ambitious revenues.
For the infrastructure side, NVIDIA introduced DSX, a full-stack blueprint for building and operating AI factories. Single sites can reach 1 gigawatt of capacity. We are talking $50 to $100 billion of capital per facility. DSX handles hot liquid cooling at 45 degrees Celsius and includes DSX Flex for grid cooperative power management. Jensen said hundreds of gigawatts are coming online before the end of the decade.
Simulate the power and cooling.
design the network, validate every integration, test every change in the digital twin. The factory powers on. DSX OS takes over and provisions.
On the model side, NVIDIA released Nemotron 3 Ultra, a hybrid architecture combining state-space models with mixture of experts. 5 times faster inference, 30% lower operational cost versus comparable models, and the whole thing is fully open. Model weights, training data, scripts, all public.
Inside this harness called Open Shell, which will be highly secure for your inside the enterprise. The shell protects the agent, keeps it grounded in security policies. Privacy is protected. Its rights and privilege.
The personal computing announcement was RTX Spark, NVIDIA's first all-in-one Windows on ARM chip. A Blackwell RTX GPU with 6,144 CUDA cores, a custom 20-core Grace CPU built with MediaTek, 128 GB of unified memory on a TSMC, 3nm process, 1 petaflop of on-device AI performance, comparable to an RTX 5070 laptop GPU, but in a chip you can hold in your hand.
With MediaTek, fused by NVLink, 128 GB of unified memory, TSMC 3nm process, 70 billion transistors, and in close collaboration with Microsoft, a Windows platform for agents. We're reinventing the personal computer for creating.
Physical AI got 3 major updates. Cosmos 3 is a new multimodal foundation model for physical systems. It handles video, sound, language, and action, enabling robots to perceive, reason, and plan. Alpamayo 2 is the updated autonomous vehicle stack. 80% of the world's auto manufacturers are now building on NVIDIA Hyperion. And Isaac GR0T is a 31 degree of freedom humanoid reference platform, open hardware, full software stack for universities and enterprises to build on.
The AI model, the physical AI model. Eventually, we're able to learn from third person, reprojecting it into first person, and now, eventually,
that is the thread. Jensen pulled through every single announcement. One architecture, model, orchestration, tools, runtime, running across data centers, personal computers, vehicles, robots, satellites, and base stations. NVIDIA is not selling GPUs anymore. They are selling the infrastructure for every intelligent system on Earth. Link to the full keynote is in the description.
This represents Groot platform, the Isaac Groot platform. Every one of our systems, as you